So we're given another trapezoid here where we have a intersecting line, and you may also see the triangle FKG. But let's look at what we're asked to do here. So our given information is that FG, the line segment FG, is congruent to the line segment KJ. Okay, and then we're given that the line segment GH is congruent to the line segment KJ, the same line segment. And then we're asked to prove that KG, the line KG, so some fictional line, KG, it bisects FH, the line segment FH. Okay, so we can imagine a line, KG, that continues on into infinity in both directions if we kind of imagine some line here that continues on. So we're asked to see if this line bisects FH. Can we prove that? Well, let's see. So we'll go down to our table. We'll make some statements and reasons. We'll start with our given information. We're given that FG, the line segment FG, is congruent to KJ. Okay, that's given. And then our second piece of given information is that GH, the line segment, is congruent to KJ. Okay, so this is given, and this is given. Okay, well, if we're trying to figure out if KG bisects FH, then we want to determine if FG is congruent to GH, because if they're the same distance, then that would be halving it, and that would be the line KG would be bisecting it. Well, we can already say if these two line segments, if FG and GH are both congruent to the same line segment, then they must be congruent. And the reason why I know this is because of the transitive property. So let's say FG line segment is congruent to GH. And we know this because if segments are congruent to the same segment, they are congruent. And this is known as the transitive property. So maybe you've seen this in algebra before. It is a property that continues throughout mathematics and is used in many different fields. So here it applies. And then lastly, since we know that these two segments are now congruent, we can say that KG does bisect FH, line KG. So KG line bisects FH, line segment. And this is because if a line divides a segment into two congruent segments, it bisects. Oops, it bisects the segment.